The recent news about the Pope experiencing a coughing fit and inhaling vomit has certainly raised eyebrows and concerns. It's a stark reminder of the fragility of health, even for someone in such a prominent position. The Vatican has stated that his prognosis remains guarded, which adds to the tension surrounding his well-being. It's fascinating, though, how this incident highlights the human side of the papacy, showing that despite the spiritual authority, the Pope is still susceptible to the same health issues we all face. This situation not only stirs compassion but also prompts discussions about the pressures of leadership and the importance of healthcare for public figures. As we await further updates, it's crucial to remember that behind the robes and titles, there's a person who needs our thoughts and prayers.